Let's make sweet potato bars. Here's what you'll need. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Preheat the oven. Scrub sweet potatoes under running water. Cook in the microwave for about 15 minutes. Let it cool completely. Remove the skin of the potato. Mash together potato and sugar. Add the wet ingredients. Mix ingredients well. In another bowl, add the dry ingredients and mix well. Mix the dry ingredients into the potato mixture. Add the chocolate chips. Pour the batter into the pan. Remove from the oven when the top is lightly brown. Let cool 10 minutes. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin A, which helps with our vision. This sweet potato recipe is from Grow It, Try It, Like It, a USDA curriculum. Enjoy!